The inbound methodology: attract, convert, close, and delight. But who truly benefits from the delight stage? And how does a research report play into this? Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Most people think research reports are for the early stages of the buyer's journey, like the attract and convert stages. But there's immense power in using them during the delight stage. First, let's define the delight stage. It's where businesses go beyond merely satisfying customers and aim to exceed their expectations, creating brand evangelists in the process. Enter the research report. A well-crafted research report can provide invaluable insights to multiple stakeholders. Existing customers. For existing customers, the report can reinforce their decision to partner with your company. It demonstrates ongoing value and showcases that you're ahead of the curve, always seeking new insights. Your sales team. For your sales team, a research report provides fresh data and insights. This information helps in upselling and cross-selling opportunities, positioning your business as a thought leader. The marketing team. For the marketing team, these reports offer fresh content ideas and angles. They can leverage finding for blog posts, infographics, webinars, and more. The C-suite. For the C-suite, research reports assist in strategic decision-making, offering evidence-based insights that can drive company direction. In essence, the delight stage, powered by a robust research report, creates a ripple effect. It deepens trust, fosters growth, and strengthens brand loyalty. So, the next time you think of the delight stage, remember the immense potential of a research report. It's more than just data, it's a tool for growth. Delight with insight. Elevate your business with the power of research.